everybody, this is Chandani Away and welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup look is all about the color orange. Usually the Indian complexion is warm toned, which basically means that when you look at somebody's complexion, it's more of yellow rather than pink. So the warmer the color, the better it looks on our skin, and orange has a tendency to do just that. So without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. I'm starting with the Morphe palette. It's the 35O palette. It looks something like this. And it's a perfect palette for the Indian skin tone because it's very warm toned, and we being warm toned people, this palette suits us pretty well. Starting with this shade right here. Now going in with the next shade, which is right in the center, right on the crease. I feel like playing around with a lot of colors today. So next I'm going to go into this very dark chocolate brown just to give little more of a definition and a transition between the colors. This one is going right below the crease. Just remember, the aim is to layer the colors on top of each other in such a way that the colors still seem to peek out, but you really cannot see where one is starting and where is ending. We're now going to go in with the shimmery orange color. I'm going to be taking this one right here. It's a beautiful orange shimmer which looks really pretty on the eyes. We're going to put that right on the crease. Just gonna go back to the chocolate brown to buffer out the orange. Just slightly again going in, kind of mixing it up with the brown. Taking the Makeup Revolution palette and this highlighter shade right here, I'm just gonna highlight the brow bone. Coming down to the lower lash line now. So whatever we have put on the upper lid, the same way we're going to be putting on the lower lash line. I'm starting with the same color which we had used on our upper crease, this one. Let's move on to the second color now, which is right in the center, this very warm copperish brown. And just to give the lower lash line a little more definition, I'm going in with this really dark chocolate brown which we've already put on the upper lid. I'm going in with the white eye pencil today. It's by Lakme. It's the Eyeconic range. Next is the eyelash curler by Vega. It helps to open up your eyelashes quite a bit. For the mascara, I'm using a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. It helps to really give your eyes the intensity that you're looking for. So one eye is done. There's a lot of mess on the under eye. I'm going to finish up with the second one, do up my face, leaving my lips because the focus today is on the eyes and on the lips. It's an all orange bright summer look. So let me be done with that and I'll come back to you. So I'm back after doing up my face. Foundation, blush and highlighter has already been done. I'm just gonna do the lips and be done with this tutorial. I'm going in with the Inglot lip shade in the number 401. It's a really nice orangey coral shade. Just putting it on a lip brush so that the lipstick goes smoothly onto the lips to match with the eyes today. There you go ladies, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try out this look because it can look good on anybody. Do like, comment and subscribe to see more from me. Until then, see you next time with a brand new makeup look. Bye bye, cheers.